What's up, guys? I just thought I'd do a quick update about the cylinder head content, since probably for the next few videos I'm going to be working on my new project truck, Buck. So here's what I got so far. As you may know, I've been working on the 2.0 heads. You know, I started working on the 2.0 head, and then I changed directions and worked on the dart heads for a while, and they're pretty much done. But I'm not 100% if I'm going to actually use them. So I still have to check them out, and we'll get to that here soon probably. To be honest, I'm a little cylinder headed out. I need a break. I need to work on something that runs and drives just for a bit, and we'll get back to this cylinder head stuff when things get cooler here in maybe a month or so. So back to this stuff. Over here I got the OG head I started working on as a possible alternative to the Dart 2s. And initially I thought it was just going to be a quick cleanup, kind of like the 2.0s, but the 2.0s were much better. I just had to sand them down and correct a few spots here and there, but the OG heads, the port correction and the exhaust bowls is a lot more than I expected. You can see I got burr marks all over, and I still have maybe 2 hours or more to finish up the burr work on just the bowls, and then I got to shape the guides and then sand the whole thing down. So I've already done the chambers, and actually the chambers also required more correction than the 2.0 heads. So if I do use a set of these eBay heads on the C3 Corvette, I think I want to use the OG heads since they have the worst deck finish. And I'm going to be just using composite style gaskets, and I'll save the 2.0 heads for another short block that's better. I think they're the better head in my opinion. And I still don't know what I'm going to do with the 3.0 heads. So there's the heads for now. Right now I'm working on prepping this intake. Well, I already started on it earlier when I took a break from the heads just for like one or two nights. I'm working on finishing up prepping this intake for Buck, because this is one of the Vortec intakes that I bought originally when I had I was using the Vortec heads, and that's what Buck has. Buck has Vortec heads. So this is just finished cleaning this up. I've already got the plenum done. I started on the runners. I just got to finish sanding them. I'll finish sanding the bottom a little, and that intake will be done, and it'll go on Buck here soon, along with a few other used parts I got. I'm not putting too much time, I'm not tearing Buck down too much. I want to just get him going, get him sorted out, running well, and then move on back to the cylinder heads. And like I said, in cooler weather, I can sweat a little less in here. I like doing this kind of work more in the cool weather when I can wear a hoodie, because I'm not scrubbing my arms up to the elbows every time I'm done. So there it is. That's what I got for for right now. Like I said, the next few videos you're gonna see some Buck content, and hopefully things go well with him. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Keep it real. What up, Buck? Man, this place is trashed. Time for a little cleanup.